Hi there, Network Guru here. If you're looking to post a pet ad on Craigslist, you've come to the right place. Today I'll guide you step by step through the process. First thing first, go ahead and open the Craigslist app on your phone, if website. If you don't have it yet, just head to App Store and download it. It's free. Open apps. Once you're in, the app will ask you to pick a location. Make sure to choose the correct area where you're looking to post. Whether you're rehoming a pet or adopting one, it's important to be specific about where you're located. This helps connect you with the local pet lovers. Now look for the post button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Then tap Create Posting. Tap Skip. And now tap on the Add Photos button and choose the best pics of your pet. If you've got a couple of cute shots, go ahead and upload them. The more photos, the better. Tap Done and tap Continue. Now select the city you live. In order to post an ad about an animal, we need to select the category Community. Now you will see the category Pets, but as we saw from the description below, we will not be able to sell the animal on this site. However, you can set the price already in the correspondence with the buyer. Now you can add all the details about your pet. Enter the name, breed, age, and short description. Be sure to include anything that might grab a potential adopter's attention. What makes your pet special? Does your dog love to fetch? Is your cat a cuddler? Get creative here, but keep it honest. Next up, provide your contact details, whether that's an email address, phone number, your location info. The Craigslist app allows you to hide your email address, which is a nice option if you want to keep it private. Before hitting post, double check all the details to make sure everything looks good. Once you're happy with the post, tap publish, and voila, your pet ad is live for the world to see. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.